all here from Voltage MOTOWERKS. Today is the day we're going to do the unboxing of the 2023 Sonic X. So I've got he's going to give us a hand and we'll make this as concise as possible. Wow, this is a machine. So everything's been wrapped properly, screen has been protected, tires, the wheels all mounted, batteries intact. Got some spare tape here and some WEPED tape, nice. The attention to detail is phenomenal. This is the reason why they consider this the Bugatti or the Ferrari of performance e-scooters. Every Asian Chinese scooter manufacturer strives to be this particular brand. Just every piece is custom, bespoke, CNC aluminum, 6061, largest aluminum factory over there. So let us continue. Steering damper, that's that right there. Fender, everything is all strapped in the charger, which is great. Fender. This is the charger, another piece of the fender.